Good afternoon, everyone. Sarisha Sinha with Sky Residentials, excited to present our newest listing in one of Fremont's premier neighborhoods, walking distance to the award-winning Weibel elementary area. So, what makes this home stand out? I'd love to show you, but I can tell you real quick. This is a custom home. So in 2016, about 9 years ago, it was fully remodeled and rebuilt from the ground up. All right, you ready for the tour? Come on in. Everything you see inside, with the expansive living room with the high ceilings, ton of windows, recessed lighting, fans everywhere, hardwood flooring, the kitchen and great room, which we'll see in a minute, that was fully redone in 2016. As you can see when you look around, every room is very spacious. It's made for entertaining. All right, now let's go take a look at the kitchen, the breakfast nook, and the family room area. I love this kitchen, especially the cream of Bordeaux granite counters that pair so well with the cherry cabinetry. Take a look at the detailing on these cabinets and all the different colors in the granite that pull everything, and it pairs really well with the cabinets and with the flooring. Most people like a lot of light and ventilation inside their homes, and that's exactly what this home offers you. Take a look at that skylight, all of the recessed lighting, all of the ample windows everywhere. It feels like this home is bathed in sunlight. So we're in the great room now with the formal dining. And every space inside this home, we just saw the kitchen, that's private enough, but it still flows into the breakfast nook and the great room area and the formal dining. So the backyard is fully finished. It's low maintenance. You can see travertine flooring here. You can see the outdoor living space behind you. There's a fire pit here. And I love the ton of fruit trees that they have. There's persimmon, we got pomegranate, there's citrus trees, we have rose trees. There's so much this backyard offers. It's a beautiful retreat in itself. So to wrap up, 44916 Winding Lane has 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, a bonus room, solar panels, 2 Tesla walls, and almost 2,800 square feet with a 7,500 square feet lot size. All of this is listed at $2.8 million. I can't wait to tour this home with you. I'll be here both Saturday and Sunday. Come on over.